I'm Arturo, welcome to Work, or at least your work tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your business profile, integrations, and then your availability within Calendar. After you log in, you're going to see your dashboard. Within your dashboard, if you look to the left, you'll see a bunch of tabs. Look down at the bottom left, you see settings. You're going to want to click settings, and then you're going to see business profile settings. Within business profile settings is where you add in all of the credentials for your business. Logo, upload a photo, business name, so on and so forth. Be sure to add the business address. Be sure to add the authorized representative. Normally that's yourself, but if you have a GM, VP, CEO, add them in here. Add in your business information, the type of business, the industry. Here is you're going to want to add in your EIN, or if you're out of the country, whatever qualifies for your business, and put those numbers at the bottom. If your business is not registered, click this link. After that, you're going to want to add in the region of your operations for your business. 9 times out of 10, you're going to want to click USA, but if you're out of the country, click the one that is suffice for your business. And that is the gist of how to set up the business profile side. Next, we're going to go into integrations. If you just logged in, you're going to see dashboard. Again, bottom left is settings. You go back to the business profile settings. If you scroll down on the left tab, you're going to see a tab that says integrations. Click on integrations. You're going to want to connect all of your social platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, QuickBooks, TikTok, Shopify, so on and so forth. Here's where you connect those. These are very valuable for integrations or for your business in the long run, because you can automate certain things if you're a content creator, if you want to check certain calendars, add things to your calendars, so on and so forth. Let's start by first connecting those platforms so that this can work correctly for your business. After the integration is set up, you're going to want to set up your availabilities within Calendar. So again, go back to your dashboard. If you just log in, you're going to see your dashboard screen. On your dashboard screen to the left, you see calendars. You're going to want to click on calendars to set up your availability. Availability is merely for those who want to book calls, set appointments, so on and so forth with your business. You're going to hit new, and here's where you set up your calendar. You can also block off times if you're not available certain days. And these are the basics of setting up your business profile. Stay tuned to the next videos. They'll drop every Tuesday for informationals and tutorials. If you have questions before then, be sure to reach out via email, and my team at work will definitely reach out within 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to Work. We're glad to have you here.